Hi everyone, welcome to AutoCAD System channel. In this video, we will learn about how to use AutoCAD to create 2D mechanical object. I will show how to create this drawing. Without further ado, let's start our lesson today. Open a drawing file. First, I will make this inner circle with a radius of 22.5 or diameter 55. Continue with the big circle with a radius of 45. Type C for circle and enter the value. Same as this dashed line, press spacebar to run the circle command again and enter 60. To change the line type, go to properties and click over here. Click other and click load to load more line types. Or you can just change it by using the properties palette. Select the circle and right click. Go to line type and change it. Now, I'm going to draw a reference line. Before I draw this, type L for line and select the first point and second point. Make the offset for 4 units for both sides. Enter trim for trim command and cut the extra part. Now, we can use the array command. Choose polar array and select the center point. You can change the number of items and the angle between items over here. Now I will put 6 items and 60 degrees. You can see it will become one object now, so you can exploit it to make it a different object. Okay, let's draw this part. Draw a reference line with 60 degrees from the horizontal line. Okay, now we can draw the circle with a radius of 10 and 18. Type C and the center point. I pick the intersection point of the reference line and the circle. Enter the value. And I'm going to use 10 radius to draw the curve. Radius I will put 14 units. Now run the trim command to trim the circle. Okay, we have trimmed all the unused circle. Now just array these circles. Select all the objects that you want to array and choose polar array. Now we have done the exercise for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in next video.